Well, one really quick and dirty answer to that is in the Four Views books that Joel Green edited. We've got Steve Gatz, who's a substance dualist, and he says, when I consider what I am, I experience myself as a soul with a body. But he also mentions Peter Van Inwagen, who says, when I think most deeply about what I am a physical organism, but with capacities for spirituality, morality, so forth. And so, and someone who would back me on this would be the philosopher Ludwig Wittgenstein and theological followers of his, such as George Lindbeck, who say that the very way we experience reality is shaped by the linguistic resources that our culture gives us. And so the modern view is that I have my experience and then I express it in words. And what these more recent thinkers would say is, I have experiences, sure, and even if I were a wolf child alone in a cave, I would have experience. But without the conceptual resources that culture brings, I wouldn't know what that was. Okay. And so imagine you're having this really marvelous experience of some sort, but you'd never heard of the concept God. How could you ever, there's just no way you could think of that as a religious experience.